Well, welcome to Uncle Fred's Fix-It Shop. Going to do a quickie on refurbing Ryobi batteries. First thing you need is a security Torx. It's size T10 to fit the little screws. The screws that fit in the battery. Rubber plug in this one you got to pull out, then you got 5 total to take it apart. You end up with this. What we have here, if you look at this red wire, not all of them show this red wire, but down in this lower left hand side as you got this apart is the positive side. The other side is the negative side. You want to test this, you set this thing down here, you take a cheap old voltmeter, set it on the proper settings, and you take and you read what you got for voltage here to start with. That gives you something to go by. Okay, I got 3.55 volts, not too much. Now, what you're going to need is you're going to need a battery charger. We'll reposition here. This is just an old-fashioned type battery charger, set for 12 volts. I take a couple of finish nails, see if we can get down in here, and I slide them in next to them contacts like so. They make a contact. Can we see that? Yeah, I guess we can see that good enough. And then I put a jumper on the positive side and I put a jumper on the negative side. Now the reason I like this old battery charger is because it shows the amps being drawn, which on something this small shouldn't be too much. But as it turns out, I think this is the battery that drawing 4 amps on here. That means there's a short in this battery. There's a short in here someplace, so this is no good. But after you do this, you put that charger on there. Couple of minutes, take your leads off, get back to your meter. You take your meter, and if you got close to 12 volts, what you do is you slap that top on. I got a top handy here, and you slap the top back on till you got it like this. Throw it in a battery charger, and if it takes a charge, you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Then you put the screws back on. Positive, negative. Battery charger draws too many amps, it means it's got a short. It should just barely move this amp meter on here. 5 minutes at the most, get you 12 volts, battery charger, let it go, you're good. That's it.